pet hair has a way of turning up everywhere. On floors, furniture, clothing, bedding, and even inside the car. These 15 practical finds can help make shedding, cleanup, laundry, odors, and everyday pet messes easier to manage. Before we begin, commissions may be earned from the links shared with this video. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases at no additional cost to you. Thank you for supporting Pamela's Best Finds. Let's begin with tools for floors, furniture, embedded hair, and the fur that seems to reappear right after cleaning. The Shark Rocket Pet Plus is helpful for homes where pet hair quickly returns. Its corded design provides continuous power, while the lightweight stick shape makes quick passes over floors, stairs, and around furniture more manageable. The Monska Robot Vacuum and Mop helps keep up with daily fur, dust, and paw prints. It cleans on a schedule, and the self-emptying base can hold collected debris for up to 90 days. The reusable ComCom roller gathers pet hair from sofas, bedding, rugs, and car seats without requiring batteries or disposable sticky sheets. It is especially convenient when you do not want to pull out the vacuum. This 4-in-1 kit is designed for stubborn pet hair woven into carpets, rugs, stairs, and upholstery. Its assortment of tools helps loosen and gather the fur that an ordinary vacuum may leave behind. Regular grooming can collect loose fur directly from your pet before it spreads throughout the house. This grooming glove collects loose fur using a gentle petting motion. It may feel less intimidating to dogs and cats that dislike traditional brushes, while helping reduce the amount of hair reaching furniture and floors. The One-Izal grooming vacuum collects loose fur while you brush and trim, helping keep it from scattering across the floor. Its 7 included tools also make it a versatile choice for regular at-home grooming. The compact Sleek Easy shedding brush helps remove loose hair before it reaches clothing, furniture, and floors. Its 5-inch size is easy to control during grooming and convenient to store between uses. Next are helpful layers of protection for the air, furniture, laundry, and other places where pet hair and dander settle. Living with pets involves more than the hair you can see. This large room air purifier can help manage airborne dander, dust, and lingering pet odors, helping the surrounding space feel fresher. The Smyri couch cover adds a washable layer of protection against shedding, dirty paws, and everyday pet messes. Its non-slip design helps keep the cover in place while pets relax on the sofa. Fur zapper discs go through the washer and dryer to help loosen pet hair from clothing, blankets, and bedding. They are reusable, so they do not require disposable sheets or an additional liquid product. The Power waterproof car seat hammock protects the back seat and seat backs from fur, wet messes, and muddy paws. Its hammock-style design also creates a more contained area for the dog during car rides. Our final group covers stains, odors, laundry residue, last-minute fur, and the stubborn hair left on fabric surfaces. Rocco and Roxy Stain and Odor Eliminator is designed to address both visible pet stains and their lingering odors. It tackles the source of the mess instead of simply covering the smell with fragrance. These extra sticky lint rollers are convenient for last-minute cleanup on clothing, furniture, and car seats. With 600 sheets in the set, they are especially practical for a busy pet household. Frequent loads of pet bedding, blankets, and washable covers can leave the washing machine needing attention too. These cleaner tablets provide a simple way to deep clean the washer and address accumulated residue and odors. This 3-piece set provides different tools for stubborn fur clinging to upholstery, rugs, clothing, and other fabric surfaces. Choose the tool that works best for a quick touch-up or a deeper cleanup. A pet-friendly home does not have to feel permanently covered in fur. Visit Pamela's Best Finds to see all 15 products and choose the solutions that fit your home and your pet. The blog link is first in the description, followed by the complete Amazon idea list.